What's up, my grub lovers? Who ready to get their grub on? You know I am. It's your boy, back again, Mr. Grub himself, with another video for you guys. Today, we're going to go ahead and jump on them sub sandwiches, okay? Now, you know we've been eating a lot of different foods for lunch. Today, I want to get me a good sub, man. So I got to go to this new place called Miranda's. Miranda's Subs, man, in Fort Pierce. I heard they got some of the best sandwiches there, man. So you know I got to try the Philly steak, man. You can't find a good Philly steak nowhere. So I'm going to check them out, man, and we're going to put them to the test because you know that's how I do. I'm going to let you guys know how it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Comment on any suggestions you have on places that you may know about. And I'll check them out, rate and review them too, man. I'm going to go ahead and head over there now. You guys come on. We're going to slide through. Mr. Grub. Get ready to check out Miranda's. Go in here, try this Philly steak out, man. I'm gonna let you guys know how it is. So come with me, let's go check it out. Alright, what's up, guys? So I went ahead and got the Philly steak because I always feel like anybody can have their own special sub. Any place can have its own special sub, right? But everybody can't do the Phillies, you know what I'm saying? And I think the best way to be able to tell if a place has like is like really good with their subs and stuff like that is if they can make a Philly. You feel me? So I went ahead and got the Philly cheese steak. You know what I'm saying? So you can tell when you got the Philly, man. You see all the grease, right? So, and be careful too when you go to places. You know what I'm saying? Some places they try to do the Philly cheesesteaks with straight roast beef and all that. Be careful of those places, man. You know, that ain't the true Philly. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all see this, man. See that? Philly cheese, baby. Went ahead and got that with the, you know, the mushrooms and everything. And then I told them, give me the works, man. The onions, everything. You know what I'm saying? The peppers, everything, right? Because that's how I be able to tell if it's a real Philly. The other way is when you pick it up like this and you see that cheese like that, man. That's Philly. You know what I'm saying? That's Philly, man. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on this, man, and let y'all know how this is, alright?
That's good. That's damn good.
Yeah, that's real good, man. I like that, man. The bread ain't too hard. The meat cooked just right. It's cheesy. You can taste all your peppers, your onions, man. It's full of flavor, man. Full of flavor. I'm gonna go ahead. Hey, give me another bite, man. I'm gonna go ahead. I say I give him an 8. You know what? I'm gonna give him a 9. And my reason for that is the sandwich itself is really good. The presentation is really good. It's really feeling like a Philly sub. It's not as big as I would have liked it to be. It's definitely flavorful. But I was hoping for, you know, a bigger sub. You know what I mean? I mean, this not even a 6-inch, but it looked like maybe it's a 9. I was hoping it would be more like a foot long. So, you know, other than that, man, the sandwich itself is delicious, man. This place is popping, man. Real good, man. You know, I like it too because a lot of people who make their Phillies, the meat be dry and all that. This meat juicy, man. Real juicy. Real juicy, man. So, definitely, man. Y'all know I had to have my fries, man. I can't escape that, man. Definitely. You're in the Treasure Coast area, man. Come to Fort Pierce. Come to Miranda's, man. Miranda's Sub. In Fort Pierce, man. They subs the truth, man. Like I said, everybody can't make a good Philly, man. But this Philly is real good. Y'all ever in the area, stop by, man. Check them out. You won't regret it. So, y'all know it's a grub. Gotta go and dig in this, man. Get back with y'all in a little bit, alright? Scrub, I'm out.
2 hours later.
So, the Philly cheese, man. Oh my gosh, bro. It was delicious, man. It's definitely delicious. It definitely hit the spot. It's definitely sitting on me well, but it got me so tired. So, if you guys are ever in the Fort Pierce area, man, check out Miranda Sub, man. The Philly cheesesteak was definitely on point. Check them out, man. I'm telling you, you won't regret it, man. It's your boy, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead and catch up with you guys later. I'm out, man. Mr. Grub.